Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about 8 career advice that you need to keep in mind in order to plan your career pathway in Australia. These tips might be specifically helpful to the people who are trying to or already migrating to Australia with their career prospects in their mind. These tips are mostly from my experiences and my journey living in Australia for more than 4 years now. This comes from the mistakes that I made while I migrated to Australia in 2016. So this video is more of my personal advice that I would like to give to my younger self. Tips number 1. Planning ahead. The very first step you should do before you migrate to Australia is to research about the market trends, career trends, and what are the market demands in Australia for your respective careers. So these are the basic questions that you should try to figure out before you plan to Australia. Other research you need to do is about any professional groups or any communities or any professional clubs where you can ask for any advice or look for any topic discussions happening in these groups that can help you prepare yourself to plan your career goal and career intentions in Australia. Tips number 2. Skill assessment and development. The other most important thing you should keep in mind after you arrive in Australia is to figure out how to access your skills and or experiences that you have. There might be various organizations who verify your skills or qualification in Australia. There might also be different avenue of skill assessment. So plan your skill assessment or study courses that can be assessed by the respective organizations. Besides these, there can be various soft skills that you can acquire or develop to progress in your career path. Skills like driving, communications, resume writing, cover response letter, job searching, researching about job, and applying for jobs are the basic soft skills that you need to have in order to progress in Australia for your career development. So try to keep in track of these skills and upgrade these skills. Also try to figure out the specific transferable skills that you have that can be unique to the organizations and can become your strength in career development. Number 3. Networking. Spending time and connecting with people with similar goals, like-minded people seeking mentorship is the basic thing that you need to do. Do not hesitate to approach to people regarding your career goals in applications or even vacancies. Whenever you see a contact person in any applications or any advertisements, it's better to directly give them a call and discuss with them about your relevance to the job opportunities. That way they can help you in better preparation of your application for the job, as well as you'll get a plus point being in touch with the people before the interview begins. Tips number 4. Focus, consistency, perseverance, and patience. The most important thing while struggling your career for your career development in Australia is being focused, being patient, and keeping your mental health good. There might be situations where you might come through many level of frustrations, where you might be struggling for your study, and similarly at your work you might be struggling to cope with the job applications and all those busy schedules. It's very important to be focused on what your goals are and what you seek in career development, and it's very important to be mentally healthy and focused at all the time. Tips number 5. Setting strategic goals and creating a big picture in mind. So there might be conditions where you might be feeling getting lost in various situations while in Australia, be so much engaged in your study or work that you might see yourself as diverted completely from your career goals. But you should keep in mind that there's bigger opportunities and bigger picture in your minds, so that you set your goals with strategically approach. Take every struggle as a stepping stones towards your ultimate goal or ultimate success in your career. Tips number 6. Do not chase after a perfect job. Embrace struggles and focus on your goals and act accordingly. There might be conditions where you are so much surrounded by the people who are frustrated, who are hopeless, that might make yourself very hopeless and frustrated. But don't let that thing pull you down. Be strategically focused on your goal, keeping big picture in your mind, keeping your goals in your mind. Always embrace all the struggles that you come through. That will help you progress ahead in your career prospect. And the last but not least tips is drawing your life graph. As I always say to many of my friends and families around me, you should always plan your future with a graph. Graphs should always be upward trending rather than downward. If it's constant, that's fine. It's just a period that will go. But once you focus on your goals and embrace all the struggles, be vigilant and set strategically you are moving towards your goals, your graph will be definitely upward. That will help you define your progress and what are the necessary things you need to amend and what are the things that you are doing wrong, and you can plan by correcting those things in your future. So these are the things that I would like to advise to my younger self if I look back. If you think this video is helpful to you, please do like and subscribe it for more videos. This will encourage me to make more videos like this and share my knowledge and experience to help people looking to progress in their career life. Thank you.